Navigating Customs Clearance for Cosmetics, Essential Guide for Importers. Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to providing valuable insights into customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will explore the topic of customs clearance for cosmetics. We will discuss the specific considerations, compliance measures, and regulatory requirements that importers and exporters need to navigate to ensure a seamless customs process for importing and exporting cosmetic products. Importance of compliance and safety in cosmetic trade. Compliance with regulations and adherence to safety measures are essential when it comes to customs clearance for cosmetics. The import and export of cosmetic products involve specific considerations due to the potential impact on consumer health, safety, and regulatory compliance. Let's dive into the key factors that importers and exporters need to consider when dealing with customs clearance for cosmetics. Understanding cosmetic regulations. Cosmetic products are subject to stringent regulations designed to ensure product safety, labeling accuracy, and compliance with specific ingredient restrictions. Importers and exporters must familiarize themselves with the regulations governing the import or export of cosmetics in the intended markets. This includes understanding the requirements for labeling, safety assessments, packaging, and product registration. Proper product classification is crucial for accurate customs declarations and compliance with regulatory requirements. Importers must assign the correct Harmonized System (HS) code to their cosmetics products. Accurate product classification ensures adherence to customs regulations and facilitates the accurate assessment of customs duties and taxes. Compliance with labeling requirements. Cosmetic products must comply with specific labeling requirements to ensure accurate and clear information for consumers. Importers and exporters should ensure that all labels comply with the regulations of the importing and exporting countries. Labeling requirements may include listing ingredients, allergen declarations, country of origin, product description, and contact details of the responsible entity. Safety assessments and product testing. Cosmetic products often require safety assessments and product testing to ensure their safety and compliance. Importers and exporters should conduct appropriate safety assessments, which may include ingredient safety evaluations, microbiological testing, and stability testing. Compliance with safety assessments and product testing supports regulatory compliance and expedites the customs clearance process. Documentation and certificates. Comprehensive and accurate documentation is crucial for customs clearance of cosmetic products. Importers and exporters must provide necessary documents, including commercial invoices, packing lists, certificates of origin, safety data sheets, SDS, good manufacturing practice, GMP, certificates, and product registration certificates if required by regulatory authorities. Ensuring accurate and complete documentation saves time and prevents delays during customs clearance. Compliance with good manufacturing practices, GMP, is vital in the manufacturing and importing of cosmetic products. Importers should ensure that their cosmetic suppliers follow GMP guidelines to ensure product quality, safety, and conformity to regulatory requirements. Demonstrating compliance with GMP standards enhances the credibility of the products during customs clearance. Animal testing regulations vary among different countries and regions. Importers and exporters of cosmetics should be aware of the animal testing regulations in the importing and exporting countries. Compliance with regulations that restrict or prohibit animal testing demonstrates alignment with ethical and regulatory standards, facilitating the customs clearance process. Collaboration with regulatory authorities is instrumental in efficiently managing customs clearance for cosmetics. Importers should establish open lines of communication with relevant regulatory agencies, such as the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, or the European Union's Directorate General for Health and Food Safety, to seek guidance, clarify requirements, and address any inquiries or concerns during the customs clearance process. Engagement with customs brokers. Working with experienced customs brokers specializing in cosmetic products can significantly simplify the customs clearance process. Customs brokers possess the necessary expertise and knowledge to navigate customs regulations, interpret product classifications, and ensure compliance with documentation requirements. Collaborating with customs brokers ensures accurate customs declarations, proper documentation, and efficient coordination with customs authorities. Compliance with import controls and restrictions. Certain cosmetic ingredients or products may be subject to import controls or restrictions. Importers and exporters must ensure compliance with regulations governing the import or export of specific ingredients or cosmetic products. Understanding these controls, obtaining necessary permits or licenses, and fulfilling reporting obligations are essential for proper customs clearance. Proper packaging and transportation of cosmetic products are vital for customs clearance. Importers must comply with regulations regarding the packaging, labeling, and handling of cosmetic shipments. This includes ensuring appropriate ingredient declarations, following guidelines for packaging materials, and adhering to safety measures during product transportation to minimize the risk of damage or contamination. Compliance with environmental standards. Cosmetic products may need to comply with environmental standards, particularly regarding packaging materials and waste management. Importers and exporters must adhere to regulations regarding environmentally friendly or sustainable packaging options and proper disposal of cosmetic waste. Compliance with environmental standards supports sustainable customs clearance practices. Continuous monitoring of regulatory changes. Regulatory requirements related to customs clearance for cosmetics may change or evolve over time. Importers and exporters must stay updated on these changes to ensure ongoing compliance with the latest regulations. Monitoring regulatory updates, attending industry seminars or workshops, and engaging with customs authorities or trade associations provide valuable insights to adapt customs clearance processes accordingly. Collaboration with industry associations. Participating in industry associations related to cosmetics can provide valuable resources and support for efficient customs clearance. Joining industry associations offers access to updated information, networking opportunities, and industry-specific guidance. Collaboration with industry associations fosters compliance with regulations, establishes best practice benchmarks, and enhances knowledge sharing within the cosmetics industry. Utilization of technology solutions. Leveraging technology solutions can streamline and automate customs clearance processes for cosmetics. Utilizing customs management software, electronic data interchange (EDI) systems, or online platforms simplifies documentation processes, facilitates data exchange with customs authorities, and minimizes manual errors. Implementing digital solutions supports accurate and standardized data transmission, expedited customs clearance, and compliance with customs regulations. Protecting intellectual property rights is crucial during customs clearance for cosmetics. Importers and exporters should take appropriate measures to safeguard trademarks, copyrights, and any other intellectual property rights associated with their cosmetic products. Ensuring the protection of intellectual property prevents unauthorized use or infringements during customs clearance. Continuous process improvement is essential to enhance customs clearance efficiency for cosmetics. Importers and exporters should regularly review their customs clearance procedures, identify bottlenecks, and seek opportunities for improvement. Continuous improvement initiatives contribute to the streamlining of operations, reduced customs clearance time, and enhanced cost management. As we conclude this video, we hope you now have a better understanding of customs clearance for cosmetics. By prioritizing compliance with regulations, ensuring accurate documentation, collaborating with regulatory authorities and customs brokers, and implementing safety measures and environmental compliance, importers and exporters can navigate the customs clearance process efficiently and ensure the compliant import and export of cosmetic products. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your support. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for future videos, where we will continue to explore various topics related to customs brokerage, international trade, and strategies for navigating the complexities of the import-export industry.